What's up, guys? It's me again. I just wanted to get on the highway. Here we go. I'm not Valentino Rossi or anything, but there's a lot of 18-wheelers that ride on 146 and 225. I gotta watch out for them. It is a gorgeous day, though. I'm getting more and more comfortable. Beginning, I was real scared and nervous, especially with the wind. But you know what? This R3's been good, you know? I can't complain. This R3 can pass up cars. It can do whatever you want it to do. It's just a little light, that's all. It's not as heavy as the R6 and the R1. It's lighter, but hey, you know, I'm gonna get a double bubble windscreen to help with that. Here we go, we're going uphill on the bridge and it's windy. I'm taking my time, I'm not rushing. Yeah, as you get to the top, the wind starts hitting bad. Oh, yeah, I feel the wind, but it's okay. Let's slow it down a little bit. I'm not gonna overdo it. We are by the water, we're by the Gulf, so it gets windy up here. All the bridges, actually. I'm not Valentino Rossi or Marc Marquez, so here we go. What a beautiful scenery. All you gotta do is tuck down a little bit, and the other day it was just as windy and I don't know, it felt better. This is some good therapy. Man, I've been missing this so much. Just stay quiet and listen to that engine. Listen to the wind. I just can't help it. It's like I want to start motovlogging, start talking about something, but Man, you just can't help it. See you guys on the next one.